For the next 14 days, we are going to explore different parts of Spain.
Starting with Barcelona.
Then Madrid.
And finally a road trip in Andalusia.
In this video, we are going to take you guys to the capital city of Spain, Madrid. Good morning guys, we are going to Madrid from Barcelona today.
So right now we are in front of the Barcelona Sands station, which is sort of the main station, and now we'll go out and try to figure out the platform and trains, because there are different kind of trains which runs. So let's go and check. So it's actually like an airport. We have crossed the security and now we are waiting for the boarding.
Finally, we boarded our train. We got a good seat. It's really spacious and our luggage is also safe.
And this is a fast train. We will reach Madrid in another 2.5 hours.
So it's really difficult to stand in the train because it's moving really fast. But we have to somehow eat our breakfast. So we have ordered this one. This one is bread and a tomato paste, where we have to just spread the tomato paste with some olive oil and eat it. So we are going to try it first time in the train. Let's try. It's good raw tomato and a bread. Never had this before. It's something different. So after 2.5 hours of journey, we are finally here in Madrid. So welcome to Madrid.
So the ride was really comfortable. I mean, I slept a lot. It's colder than Barcelona here. We have to put on our beanies and everything, and then we'll be ready to explore Madrid.
Estão fora dos seus requisitos.
So finally we checked into our hotel and just came out for very quick lunch, and this place is called Terra Burrito. If you know Chipotle, it is exactly the same. We were running late. We could find this place near to our hotel, and after that we are going to go for a walking tour, which is just in another 20 minutes. So hopefully we will be able to reach. Finally, we are on time at the plaza, but our tour guide gave us another 15 minutes to chill around.
This main square is called Puerta del Sol. This is where the New Year celebrations takes place in Madrid, and that's the reason we are here in Madrid. So we are really looking forward to that event tomorrow. It should be awesome. Now we are just wandering around the square. There are a lot of people. Everybody is enjoying, chilling, and we are also just waiting for our guide so that we can start our walking tour.
Es cada vez más fuerte. Yo pensaba que esto del amor ya se me había pasado y que no era para mí.
So we are finally done with our walking tour. The tour was really informative. Tour guide was very entertaining. He told us all about the city. So it was really nice. If you want to know where we did the tour, I will give you the link below in the description. Now it's time for sunset. So we have one place in our mind. Hopefully we will reach there. It will take around 15 minutes by walk. So let's go. The place where we are going to is called Temple of Debod, from where we are supposed to see the temple, and there is a place where we can see beautiful sunset. So that's the temple which I was talking about. We'll go there, but there is a big queue as of now, as you can see, and it's almost time for sunset, and this is the place where we are going to watch sunset. So we just watched the sunset. It was our second last sunset of the year, and you won't believe the sunset was literally on fire.
So just look at this place around. It's filled with people. There are street performances going on. The vibe is actually electric. If you guys are in Madrid and if you're planning to see sunset, definitely come here. So the queue is still there for entering into the temple, and they're only allowing like 10 people at a time. We'll try to wait for 10-15 minutes more, and then probably we'll head for dinner.
while we were going to eat, we found a Christmas market in between. So we just came inside.
Looks really nice. So many shops. There's a big Christmas tree. There's an ice rink also.
Never thought we will find this just roaming around. Searching something to eat and then realized there are really limited options. There is one place where they serve churros, but that's gonna take forever to get one. So we decided to go to the San Miguel market to eat something. So let's go. So finally we are here at the dinner place. This is San Miguel market and it's a boutique market where you will find so many things to try. Let's go and see what we'll find. First thing we are trying paella, a popular dish in Spain. So let's see how it tastes. It's like a flavored rice. It has all the masalas and really tasty, and even I'm very hungry. The good part is we can try tapa style. It's a small plate so that we can just try it and see if we like it or not. So that's a good thing. So next we are here to try vermouth and olive with the cheese plate.
So now we are trying some really peculiar combination. It's mozzarella on top of bread or toast and then sprinkled with some onions, I guess. And then there is jam as well. So we just ordered. Let's see how it tastes. So many different flavors. This is manchego cheese, that's what the guy told me. This is what I was looking for. This is really popular here. And then we've got sangria also, which is just 3.5 euros. Imagine how cheap the drinks are here.
So it's holiday vibe everywhere. Christmas tree is still there. That is the Christmas tree and that's the market.
We are here to try some churros from one of the best places in Madrid, which is San Ginés. This place is operating from 1894 and has the best churros in Madrid. And you can see this from the queue.
Finally, after waiting for like half an hour, we found a table and here is our churros and hot chocolate.
Let's try and check out how it is. This is churros and this is the chocolate. Give it a dip. So good. Oh my god, we just had this churros. It was so good. The combination of the thick hot chocolate and this churros was amazing. This shop is open 24 hours every day, every night. I can see around 4 to 5 shops. This shop is spread across this street. This looks like an iconic place to eat. So do not miss this when you are in Madrid. So finally we are done for the day. Tomorrow is the big event, which is the New Year's Eve. Forward to tomorrow, and till then we're just enjoying the decorations from outside.
Good morning guys, it's last day of the year and we are here in Madrid as you know, and expectedly everything is closed. It's breakfast time. Hopefully we get one restaurant at least open where we can have coffee and something to eat. So finally we got a place to eat. We found this place on Google with some good reviews and we have ordered ourselves shakshuka and cinnamon roll, their house special cinnamon bread. So let's dig in, I'm very hungry.
Done with our breakfast, and now the plan for today is to just walk around this beautiful city, and we have created a sort of, you can say, a DIY walking trail on Google Map, and then we are just following the route and just roaming around to see different monuments and the other things what city has to offer. So we were just walking by this street towards our next spot, and then suddenly we found this place, Casa Mira. This serves turrons. Turrons are like a local delicacy here, and they mostly eat it around Christmas and New Year's, and this place was on our list but I had forgot about it, but we found it and we took a pack of it and we'll eat it later. And we have reached our first point, which is this fountain which you can see behind me, and that's the Cibeles fountain. That's a very popular attraction and also a landmark of the Madrid city. So now on to our next spot, and behind me you can see Bank of Spain, and if you are also a fan of money heist like us, you might recognize this bank very well. It's really cool to just roam around these buildings in Madrid.
So next stop on our DIY walking tour is this El Retiro Park. This reminds me of Central Park in New York City. As you can see, there's a walking trail and the fall is still here. It's not gone. I can see the fall color all around. Also, there is a man-made lake where people do boating, I have heard. So let's go and check it out. That's the kind of an attraction in this park.
So that's the man-made lake we were talking about. Looks really nice. I think boating is not running because of winter season. Also there was a palace, I think the name is Crystal Palace, where we wanted to go for a photo op, but unfortunately it is temporarily closed. So we will now head to our next spot. So it's time for lunch and we were just walking around and we found this place called Tiki Taco, which serves Mexican food, and we thought why not try it. And we have ordered a few bunch of tacos and then guac and chips, and we are ready to dig in. So finally we are at the end of our DIY walking trail. We are standing in between the cathedral on one side and the Royal Plaza on the other side. Unfortunately these are closed today because it's 31st. We are just trying to enjoy the view from outside. So this is where we'll celebrate the New Year's tonight. That Puerto de Sol. You can look behind me, that plaza is full currently. So our stay is just minutes away. We'll go back, get ready and come back. And right now if you can see, everybody is here, but around 9:30 everyone will be evacuated. There will be a lot of security here, and then again around 10ish we'll have to re-enter through a queue. So it will be such adventure today.
After grabbing quick dinner, we are standing on a queue to enter the plaza where New Year's celebration is gonna happen. However, the queue is really long. Hopefully we will be able to make it before time. The entry is at 10 p.m. I guess. So let's see if we will be able to be there or not. It's almost an hour. We are standing in the line, just 100 meters to the plaza, but still we can't go. We have not reached to the plaza yet. Let's see if we could. Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year, guys.
Oh my God, it was an epic adventure in celebrating New Year in so much crowd.
We even could not reach the main plaza because there was no space at all. It was all filled with people, and once we were trying to come back, everybody was pushing and we were fighting. It was almost like a situation of stampede. But we somehow celebrated New Year in that, and we are so happy we did that.
Such a blast, right?
Yeah. So guys, that's it from our Madrid trip.
Hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel and see you guys from another adventure from our Spain trip.
And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.